Sawgrass SG500 Sublimation Printer. The Sawgrass SG500 is a sublimation printer that uses UHD ink for printing outputs. This is an incredible option that I have listed on this list because it can work as a dye sublimation printer for you. The greater benefit is that it also comes with a 2-year complete warranty to show you what it's all about. Features: this sublimation printer accompanies a total arrangement of SUBLIJET-UHD inks alongside 220 sheets of select Sublimax brand sublimation paper. You can expect to get some of the finest t-shirt prints with this sublimation printer through heat. The Sawgrass Virtuoso SG500 sublimation printer incorporates a simple-to-use web-based design that provides automatic stock library access for Sawgrass to hold and save files or documents. In case that you need great assistance, Sawgrass is without a doubt the one-stop answer for your quality need. The reason behind it is that this dye sublimation printer utilizes the veritable Sawgrass inked to print the outputs for you. There is a free Creative Studio software to help you adjust things accordingly, and then you can make decisions for printing t-shirts or mugs with this sublimation machine. The guarantee that company offers will cover any sort of equipment malfunction or problem occurred during printing mechanism. The SUBLIJET-UHD inks will make dye sublimation printing much simpler and better for you to print out the highest quality outputs. The product link is given in the description below.